What's my name?
T. Lela.
Micaela.
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 Princess.
Come on, Gabby. What's my name? What's Tita Lala's real name?
Micaela.
Very good. High five. How about you? What's your real name?
Gabby.
No, it's Gabrielle.
Yes.
Gabrielle Christine,
Yes.
right?
Me.
Gabrielle Christine.
It's not Christine.
Then what is it?
Gabby Christine.
Gabby Christine. That's right. High five. Great. How about Mommy? What's Mommy's real name? Maria Christina
Christina
Lourdes. Maria Christina Lourdes. Alright, so say your full name. I'm Gabby Christine Claro. Say your full name.
I'll
Gabrielle.
take my pictures.
No.
Stay.